You are joining us from the state EOC. Please give us an early sense of the scope of this disaster.
Sure. So nearly 400 people here are working through the night here at the State's Emergency Operations Center. Real storm. Idalia created a significant storm surge throughout the Big Bend area as it made landfall at Keaton Beach. Some areas there saw storm surge as much as 12 feet. We were hoping the evacuation orders were heeded, but as we speak right now, there's about 900 urban search and rescue first responders that some are underway in preparation in one way, shape, or form, heading to the affected areas. We're also very grateful for the resources that are coming from Palm Beach County also that are coming to assist through this massive undertaking. Lots of boats, lots of floodwaters. There's parts of the state that will still see delayed reaction with flooding, as Tampa Bay, Pinellas, St. Petersburg, those areas have also had historic flooding they haven't seen in 20 plus years.
How concerned are you that a great many did not heed the urgent evacuation orders?
Well, it always happens. I think with this part of the state where the storm made landfall, it hasn't seen a significant storm in over a generation. And look, because of that, there'll be those that will not heed the warnings. But the Taylor County, the most populous county that got hit, is about 22,000 people. So there's 22,000 people on Fort Myers Beach. So thank goodness the areas are not densely populated, but they are low lying. The storm did move very fast, and because of its speed, it did not get to dump as much rain on the state, which is also good for recovery efforts. So when there's that much rain, it can hamper things, but because the rain was abbreviated, because it left the state quickly, it can make the challenges less of a frustration or a challenge for our rescue operations.
Any early casualty reports?
Just two, both of which automobile related. Seems like there was, I think, my best of my recollection, there was one in Gainesville and one in, I think, Hernando County. But again, sometimes people, as they're heated to stay off the roads, these were both automobile related accidents.
CFO Patronis, as we look at the map behind you, we're reminded not just the Big Bend coastal areas. This storm had impacts well inland in places like Tallahassee and certainly beyond. Talk about that. Talk about the power issues right now, the restoration issues that will get underway. We have FPL crews from our region headed that way. Yep. Talk about the sense of that right now.
Yeah, the irony to your words you just used, as the governor was given his 6:30 press conference this morning, the power went out twice in the Emergency Operations Center. So real storm created a real threat. But the utilities, the line workers, they have to wait till some of the waters rescind. But I know Duke Energy, FPL, the co-ops, they're all pre-stage prepared, and where they have been able to be actively engaged, they have been. In some cases, they'll have to wait just a little bit because those restorations won't take place if there's standing water.
For people in South Florida unfamiliar, talk a bit more about the Big Bend area, the kind of communities there, the lives, the livelihoods, what the heartbeat is of that region, what they'll be dealing with in the days and weeks to come.
Yeah, you're going to catch me off guard with that question. It's a part of the state that in some cases people probably appreciate that it gets forgotten. It's got a charm and a characteristic to it that's it's old Florida. You still have multi-generational families that are the seafood industries in this part of the state. And yeah, there's going to be some loss of culture with the type of destruction that a storm like this brings to the area. So it's going to be important that we help those families retain their identities, those communities, they stay strong. But when you think about the example of Taylor County, their emergency operations center lost power during the storm. They had to evacuate during the storm.
A thoughtful description, I think, of what we're all wrapping our arms around. Talk about fraud.
That's right.
It's something you have to deal with in a region like this after a storm, but fraud isn't always directly for the impacted area. Sometimes people across the state try to take advantage. What is your warning, your caution, and what's in place to combat that?
Thank you for bringing that up. Please be careful of any crowdfunding form of charities, GoFundMe and some of the like. They do their best they can, to try to protect those that are generous, that want to give, from fraudsters that are trying to harvest money off of this disaster. You know, if